welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video I will show you 3 winter face pack which you can make it at home and also you can apply it very easily. And उसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. You will just need some kitchen things like turmeric, curd, milk, coffee powder जो आपका किचन में available रहेगा. And this face pack is for everyone. आप अगर ये बच्चा को भी लगाना चाहो तो वो लगा सकते हो, but I think वो necessary नहीं है because उन लोग का face already moisturized रहता है, glowish रहता है, because उन लोग को कुछ जरूरी नहीं लगाने का. But ये अगर आप चाहो तो लगा सकते हो. So guys, I think we should not really talk so much. Let's just get into the video and I'll show you how to make it and how to apply it. So guys, let's get into it. So take 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, some besan for about half tablespoon, some curd for about 2 tablespoon, some turmeric powder for about 1 tablespoon, and then some honey for about 1 tablespoon, some olive oil for about 1 tablespoon, and mixed all together. After mixing, the consistency should be like this. Don't make it too liquidy. After that, इसको ऐसे ही बनाना है. After that, apply all over your face. Don't forget your neck, guys, because neck बहुत important है. मैंने आपको मेरा जो previous video वो सब में भी बताया था. The neck is very important. After that, apply all over your face. This will help to remove your dryness from your face and also give you the moisturizing face. After that, wash your face with normal water. I'm wiping it, but wash करना बहुत अच्छा होगा. So wash your face. After that, the second pack is take some curd for over 1 tablespoon, some coffee powder for over 1 tablespoon, some cocoa powder for over 1 tablespoon, and some honey for about 1 tablespoon, and mixed all together. And if you want, you can add some olive oil for, if you want. Then after that, mix all together. It will look like this. Liquid form में आ जाएगा. After that, apply all over your face. This pack is very amazing because ये विंटर में इतना काम आता है क्योंकि आपका ये जितना भी आपका अगर ड्राइनेस है या आपका कुछ भी है, ये हमें डार्क स्पॉट है, वो सब रिमूव करेगा, मॉइस्चराइज भी करेगा. कीप दिस फॉर 20 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. If you want, you can just wipe it off. After that, the third one is this amazing pack. Take some gram flour, some rose petals powder. If you have powder, you can use that. Then some honey for about 1 tablespoon, some aloe vera gel for about half tablespoon, and mix all together. If you want, you can add some almond oil, और अगर आपके पास कुछ बीटरूट पाउडर है तो वो भी आप अप्लाई दे सकते हो. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट एड सम अमाउंट ऑफ रोज़ वाटर. तो रोज़ वाटर देने से आपका जो फेस में जो पिंकिश ग्लो है वो भी आता है. तो रोज़ पेटल है यहाँ पे, जो आपका फेस में अगर थोड़ा ड्राइनेस है ऑफ कोर्स, और अगर आपका फेस इतना प्लम्प नहीं है, मॉइस्चराइज नहीं है, या देखने में थोड़ा डल है, तो ये पैक आपका फेस को एकदम ब्राइट बनाने में हेल्प करेगा. सो आफ्टर दैट अप्लाई ऑल ओवर योर फेस. डोंट स्किप योर नेक गाइस, बिकॉज मुझे पता है अगर फेस ग्लो रहता है और नेक आपका डार्क रहता है तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है, राइट? That's why apply to your face and also apply to your neck. So keep this for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off as if ये जो जितना भी मैंने पैक दिखाया है इसको 15 to 20 minutes तक रखना ही है. अगर उससे ज़्यादा रख सकते हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Wash it off with normal water. That's it. If you want, you can apply moisturizer, night cream or day cream, whatever. But I have applied here olive oil and yeah, I'm done. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share. And yes, don't forget to click the bell button to see my new and latest video for first. So this is the 3 pack, which is amazing pack for winter. I think you should try it once and do let me know whether it's work for you or not. But मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा work करता है. So I'll see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.